Yo, you're not gonna believe me. I just saw this black stringy creature thing. And where am I? Is this real or is this...
How'd you get in here, man? Tell me.
I was looking... I was about to put on my VR. I found this weird app. It was kind of sketchy. There was no ratings on it. So I decided I was just going to try it out to see what it was about. And this was on the title, or on the picture thing. And then I went in it, and now I can't remove my headset.
So I found this weird VR headset in my room. Too. I found something. I think... I
can't see it! I swear to God, that little... Hello? I don't know where you were at. I feel like we're dead. We're dead meat. I was just in the middle of a nice, good old conversation that I haven't had in around an hour. Wait, what are all these boxes? Why is there boxes on the ground? Okay. Wherever he is, I hope he comes to the boxes. Wherever this guy is, I hope that he can come to these boxes and find me, because I don't know. Shoot me.
Run!
Come on, bro, I already found him again. Whoops.
Run! Keep it running!
I don't see him. But we never know you're safe in this place. I don't hear his weird maniac.
How long have you been here? How long?
About an hour. I lose track of time in this place.
I've been here for 3 days, I think. I just can't get a grip on real life. Are you real? Pinch me! I feel like going insane. Pinch me. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm real, but the question is that thing real or is that our imagination?
If we're both saying it has to be real. And I've got cut by it before. Do you see this?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. It's gone now, but... Follow me. We have to find it. Wait,
there's an exit?
I heard something. No, we have to find it. I feel like there is. You see, one time when I fell into those grates, I somehow survived. But I don't think that's the way out, because I did it before.
Yeah. Wait, yo, I felt like the thing just caught me, and all of a sudden I'm in this random place. Where did that guy go?
Hey, dude, behind you.
Oh.
I think my camera cut out because we ran away from the monster, right?
Yeah.
And the camera cut out.
Yeah, the camera cut out, but also I feel like I just don't remember. I don't remember what happened. I feel like I got caught by him, but I feel like I just ran from him. I don't know if I got caught or if this is just my imagination playing tricks on me and I didn't get caught and I was running and what was that?
You go that way, I go that way. We both look for the exit. We meet each other back here if we found it or we didn't, alright?
Right.
You go that way,
yeah?
I go that way, okay? You go that way,
No.
I go that way.
A little bit. Yeah, I don't know, because I'm not good at this.
Don't figure that out,
still chasing me. He's still chasing me. Just keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Oh, darkness. In this place, darkness is terrifying. Can you go with me? Stop this, please. The thing I always hate is 12 inch. 12 inch. Yeah. That's it. I'm not toasted. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just hallucinating about food. Like, my mom's talking to me about food when she's really not talking about me because I'm...
You keep running.
Yo guys. That guy. Oh,
dude,
there you are.
You find the exit yet?
I don't know. I saw the creature gun. My camera cut out again. I feel like every time that creature comes remotely close to me, my camera cuts out.
I don't know. Might be the camera glitching. I don't know.
Or it might be, I don't know. My camera cut out, and I ran back here because this is I know that this place kind of. I just know these pillars here.
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
Am I running in circles?
I don't know. I think we might be.
I was just hallucinating about food because I haven't had food.
Before.
I haven't had food ever.
I haven't had food for 3 days straight.
Coming after me still. You're only here so you can tell people about your story? Is that what you want to survive? Or is it because we're probably in the middle of, I don't even know where, middle of Cambodia or in a skating place or something? I feel like I'm running in circles. I'm just running in a straight line at this point. Gotta find the exit. Well, if there is an exit, that is. I feel like this guy's just gonna pop out. Whatever he is. I found the exit. Oh, jeez. I found the exit. That's teleported. Wait, did you find the exit too?
No, I didn't.
Are we linked somehow?
Maybe.
This place definitely has better vibes, I guess, because now we can't see the monster running at us, but at least it's not all yellow, and we are not running in circles. Although this does look like we're going to be running in circles for a bit.
Here, I'm going to go this way.
Also, do you think the monster's going to be different in here?
I don't know, man. Let's just take the piece, because I thought I just heard something. Like a, ooh. Let's go find...
There's a door right there.
Let's go find some... There's so many doors.
Is there...
Stop!
I want to see what this monster looks like. Hello? Where are you at?
Hey, dude! Woo! Woo! Hey!
Oh, I see you. That thing sounded like a wild... Wow, it's a red thing.
I'm getting tired.
I can't run much longer. It's coming after me.
Your thing's gone. I'm not
Just
taking
keep
no
running.
chances, though.
I can't keep running anymore. My legs are about to fall off.
Again.
Not again.
Finding us.
I can't run much faster. Get to safety. Never look back.
I'm looking back. She's going every hallway. Maybe we'll find something.
Maybe. Thought I heard something like.
We find something
I thought I saw something from the previous view. Yo, guys. Sounds like a wild hog. Also, how is it that you've been stuck in here for 3 days? And you haven't found anything? Like a door or exit or something? But I've been in here for 2 hours now.
Oh, my stomach. I'm okay, man.
I haven't eaten in about a day. I hopped on this right around breakfast time.
We haven't been here for that long.
I know, but I'm saying I'm a big back and I eat a lot.
But I hate stuff
a lot. Yo, guys, I feel like the same thing happened with my monster. Wait.
Just from in VR, you can't talk to me, okay?
Oh my god.
I'm making a video. I don't know. Run!
I'm sprinting. I'm running. Where are you at? Yo, I feel like these monsters just keep finding us more in this room than it did in the last. Yo. Oh no. I feel like that monster keeps finding us more easily in here than it did in the last one. Yo guys, I can't post any more girl tag videos until I get out of this place. Because I am recording with my phone. Usually recording with my headset, which this is weird because this isn't a VR game. This is reality.
Dude, I found a key. It can unlock doors. I've been unlocking doors with this.
We have to get away from the monster first.
I think it's gone. Come over here. I think. Are these just empty rooms? Nothing. Nothing again.
Come on, hurry up before the thing comes. What do you have to do? Does kind of matter. It's the only way to get out. We go to the middle area. Are you running away from him? Oh, I see you.
Dude, follow me. I found something.
Which door is it?
This one. Look at. Shoot!
I can't. Oh, where are we at? Oh no.
My gosh.
This is worse. This top's worst. How are we gonna get out of here?
I don't know.
This thing's gonna probably be on us in like 5 seconds.
Dude, look at me.
Yeah.
We got this, okay?
Yeah.
We got this. No matter. Here, let's just walk.
Kind of nervous.
Wait, hold. Let's take a rest in here, and you know what we can do? We can record more later. All right.
All right.
Let's take a rest. Let's sit down. All right.
Oh. We stopping the video?
Now, yeah, we can stop recording. That's all. And hey guys, we'll get back to you on maybe. But just you know, we might escape this place. We have to look at. We're getting out of here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay?
Yeah.
You've been here for an hour. I've been here for 3 days. How are you this
I've been
good?
here for 3 hours, actually. 3 hours now.
Alright.